Got an awesome surprise in my fan mail. This awesome flashlight. I have put to the test this burn before, so they sent me one more. 50,000 lumen max and almost 1600 meters, so like a mile, I guess. Wow. So looks like on a picture there's multiple flashlights inside there. Let's open it. I love the packaging. Check this out. It comes with the charger. The world's brightest flashlight, over 100,000 lumens they make. So this one is a little bit smaller, that's the difference. And it comes with a holster. Okay, then there is a button right here. One light softly. You have right here really bright flashlight from the tops. Wow, it's overexposing. Then press and hold. Let's see. Looks like it gets even brighter, and then fans turn on. There's a lumen charts on every setting and how long it will run for, like before the battery needs to be recharged. Look at that, you actually can see the fans are running right here and right here. Looks like this right here sucking it in, and this one right here blowing it out. So that way it cools it off much faster. It says hot over here. Most flashlights will get hot with the high lumen. It's 40 degrees out here, so the natural outside air cooling off pretty quickly. Okay, we're in a completely dark basement, and look at that brightness. Camera overexposes. And look, if I point it into this little crevices, you see how that middle flashlight is for the length, I guess, and you really can see. Okay, and then we press it brighter. Okay, as you can see, we turn it on, double click, the brightest. And it's so bright, if we point it backwards the other way, everything illuminates inside here. So yeah, super bright. The whole room is very bright. I wouldn't keep it on brightest for too long. It's gonna overheat pretty quickly, so you only want to use it for a little bit. But as you can see, this flashlight extremely bright on the lowest setting. And again, you see I'm pointing at white wall. Everything is overexposed. The whole room is bright, and I'm even not pointing onto the like a room. I'm pointing it into the wall. It just reflects so much power of light. Camera just adjusts, you see. And a spotlight almost a mile away. We'll have to test it out in the future. Really excited about that. Next, I got a here Craftsman attachment for your battery, USB power source. So if you have a bunch of tools and you need to charge up your phone, it's probably worth having it. It's not even super expensive. So let's open it up. So all you have to do is grab your Craftsman battery and plug this in, and you have right here USB attachment, but at the same time a belt clip, backpack clip. So only one USB port. Makita chargers like that, I have seen multiple ones, and they would be on a side, like 3 different kinds. So this is the most simple one, but makes it possible to charge your phone with this really nice powerful 20-volt battery. And they make bigger batteries, so this is a really nice little attachment. Make your battery versatile to charge your phone on the work site or anywhere, so it becomes a power bank. This right here, switch pliers by SOG. And what do they mean by switch? There's a little button and you press it. How cool is that? Do you see that spring? Really quick. And you have nice little handle with the spring. So pretty nice pliers with a wire cutter. What else is over here? This is kind of cool. I never seen it. It's an easy, quick release for this all your little blades, and they all come out at once. And you see how they release it to pull them all out and locks in. So you have a knife, bottle opener, screwdriver, can opener with another like a little screwdriver, and another like X-Acto blade of some sort, or like a puncture tool. And we can put it all away, and you see how it's locks in right here. Again, whenever you push on that, pull one and the rest of them will come out, so that way you can pick which one you want. Let's say you want this one, you push everything back away. Just press that and it'll push it back like this in. I guess we can push this button in, lock the pliers in, and then you can use this tool. Has a little wiggle to it, but that's it. Boom. There's a ruler over here. Whenever you wanna lock it in, just press that and lock it back up. And what else is in here? The clip, sog. This thing's completely sold out. They're really popular, you see? Very cool. And it's very important, it's small. And also I can't believe how snappy that is. Do you see how quick it opens up? You can lock it this way, you see? Press the button, lock it, and then push this and lock it all the way. Super cool, I love it. Next I got it here, vintage sharpener for those razors for shaving. You pull this out, let's see how it works. I guess it opens. I got a couple of blades over here. Got the vintage blades so they would hopefully work with this one. So you put it in and it locks in, and then close it and then push it in. That's it. And let's see, you see there is like a sharpening stone. Wow, let's look at it close up and slowly. You see it flips over the blade and it sharpens it again. And you can only spin it this way. That's a very cool mechanism over here, that's for sure. You see, probably doesn't even take that long to sharpen it. The only thing with this vintage sharpening tool, looks like the sharpening wheel right here had better days. We probably have to replace it. And once you're done, just pull this out, take the blade out, you have a sharp blade. That's cool. Back in the day, I guess you couldn't just buy the blades. It was better to sharpen them back up a little bit. Nowadays, we just get the blades built in into the shaver. Got right here back seat for your car organizer. So it goes around your seat. Comes with a couple of pouches. I wish it was all Velcro and loops, but let's try it out. So looks like there's another pouch for like first aid kit, or you can remove the pouch, put different pouch in, and actually that's nice. So you have it here, kind of like military grade thing. Comes with a holder and you can tighten it up and loosen it up. And as you can see, we're just gonna slide it into here and here. So this is the most simplest one I found on Amazon. A little bit tedious, but I guess it's worth it because we can easily detach it without detaching the whole thing, or we can detach the whole thing from your back seat. Looks like this side here, a multi-tool pouch. Yeah, okay, Velcro right here. Definitely multi-tool, or you can put a radio over here. So I dabbed everything down. Now we have a full pouch over here for something else that we can put in there. Wow, it's pretty big and it's kind of like waterproof. Okay, let's go hang it in a car, see what it looks like. Obviously we're probably going to buy more pouches and things like that. And that's what it's going to look like. Definitely need more pouches and put in some stuff in here so that way you can see how much it can hold. Very easy to access all that little pouches in here. And this one right here, you see it sits in a really tight. Probably wouldn't put anything big in here so it doesn't bulge out too much, same as here. Maybe some big, like a laptop, I don't know. And I really do like these pouches, easy to get in, easy to take this out. You see I just unbuckled it and put a couple more pouches. Really cool organizer. Maybe I'll actually fill up a survival kit with the back seat and buy more attachments, see what it's going to look like. I like it.